diadem and crown him Lord of all. Crown him Lord, bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Crown him Lord. He chosen seed of Israel's race, he ransomed from the fall. Hail him who saves you by his grace and crown him Lord of all. Hail him who saves you by his grace and crown him Lord of all. Let every kindred, every tribe on this terrestrial ball to him all majesty